Okay, hello everyone and welcome back to the video. Right now we are going to play Tail Tavern where we played as a tavern owner. So let's just get into the game. Sorry. Good. Too much? What? Gold. Okay. I always wanted to have my own bakery or tavern basically, but I have no idea about alcohol in real life. So in terms to in not in terms like, so if I wanted to actually have my own tavern, I have to learn at least basic mixing or anything that alcohol based drinks. So yeah, this is our ale and tail. We bought this tavern. Basically, it's an abandoned one. Right now, it's still closed. We can turn it around. We can flip it open, but there's no business yet. So I think I'm gonna keep that closed. There's so many broken barrels and everything. It's still in a disarray situation. This is a very nice place, though. Is it autumn already because of the yellowing uh, leaves?
Greetings, traveler.
Hello.
Let me assume you are the new owner of the tavern we're standing in front of.
Yes, yes.
Wow, you are a seer. Yes, all of my savings and inheritance went to acquire this tavern. My dream has come true.
Some dream of becoming knights in shining armor, saving royal figures, engaging in duels, and determining the fate of the world. And you dream of serving oatmeal and ale to commoners?
What's so wrong with that?
Why oatmeal? I have a knack for culinary arts. My purpose is to turn sad and hungry citizens into happy and well-fed ones.
Well, it's a noble cause. The people around here love to eat and drink, and they know how to have fun.
Nice to meet you. And who might you be?
I'm a simple merchant. I was about to set off looking for a busier place, but perhaps I'll stay. I see potential in you, and where there's potential, there's trade. In short, if you need anything, come to me to buy, to sell, and I'll also share some news with you.
What a wonderful place, and such kind people.
Our land is wonderful indeed, but it's not always peaceful, especially at night. Monsters roam the forests and swamps, disturbing the peace, but don't be afraid. I have weapons too.
Could you elaborate on that?
Don't sweat it. It's mostly just village ghost stories, but getting an axe is a good idea. You'll use it to keep things in line at the tavern, and to send any troublemaker packing.
You have a way with words.
Clean up, I'll buy an axe. Okay, so I buy it from you. Stay with me, alright? Just stick with me, buddy. It's like miles from my next neighbor or neighboring town, so don't leave me. I promise I'll be your loyal customers. Alright, so I already have my axe here. Let's go and see what we can do. You know, honestly speaking, I really wanted to see the fields. Forest is which that way, and then there's also a swamp and a lake. Let me see the fields real quick. I just want to see. Such a lovely place to be. Just me and my curious little person exploring, you know. Maybe one day we'll have our own wagon or carts. It is it a ward? Is it a hog? It is a hog. Wow. Wowza. We can hunt hogs too? Can we? Anyway. Oh, wheat. Nice. Fields of wheat. I don't know if I should go near a hog, because even in real life you'll get trouble for getting too close to a hog, you know. Ah, you're in the way, dearie. Oh dear. Please don't chase after me. I'm not ready. can't get into the water. Really? That's too bad. I want to splish splash, you know. I really love splish splashing in the water. 9 out of 10 then, this game. If only they let me into the water, I'll give them 10 of 10. What? Summon altar. What do we summon here? King of the Hog? Is there an entrance to this thing? Hey. Sorry. There's only runes. Why are you looking different? No, don't come to me. Oh my god, that was terrifying. What do you summon with here? That's too bad. We cannot really see how we look like, you know, because it's a first person game. I have an axe. Don't come near me. Please spare me, Mr. Hogs. I come in peace. Do not chase after me, please. Excuse me. Didn't mean to harm you. Just let me pass, okay? Good boy. Alright. Oh, break the planks to get into the tavern. Okay. Right away. Still want to explore a little bit. Want to see what this big tree is about. Oh, this is a nice place to rest. You can see a lot of things from up here. Is that more hogs? Yeah, I think that's another hog. Oh, there's someone's house in there. Let me have a visit for a bit, please. Excuse me. Is that a bee? A buzzing bee? Hello. Hi, baby. Don't sting me. I know the dangerous one is wasps, not bees. Bees are very gentle in nature. Like, they only attack you if they feel endangered. Basically self. You know, this type of tower and building remind me so much of the other game that I played, Tiny Glades. Really nice. This is an empty house with nothing in it. Is this supposed to be our house later? I suppose. Oh no, it's getting dark, isn't it? Oh, I don't have a lamp with me. Don't come after me, please. Mr. Hogs, spare me. Oh, there's another thing here. What is this? You're an enemy. You're an enemy. No, I'm sorry. I'm a new person here. Don't come after me. Help, merchant. I need your help, please. I'm sorry, okay? I didn't know it was your house. Well, maybe they get threatened because I bring an axe to them, but like, no, don't do that. I'm not ready. I'm not equipped to fight anyone yet. Just please. I'll give some drinks for free. What are you? Oh, it's a flag. Okay. Oh dear, it's getting dark. Come on, let's go. Oh, I didn't see you there. I'm sorry. My bad. When are you going to turn on, buddy? It's already so dark around me. Stay with me.
Traveler.
I know, thank you. Appreciate it, buddy. Please open. I need to go in. It's getting dark and I'm scared. You're not going to open? Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh. Oh. Is this my tavern? Oh my god. Looks really nice. Dish slot. Put dish. Put dishes. Okay, alright. What else? Break 3 old barrels or crates. Okay, so we can destroy this. Alright. Let's destroy everything to clean up our tavern, shall we? Let's get working. I don't know why it was so dark earlier. Wow, guys, I hope you can hear my voice clearly still. Okay, my bad. Anything else? Oh, there's still more. 3 more to go. Let's go. What's that supposed to be mean? Another lamp? Broken crate. I hope the music doesn't have any copyright to it. Oh my god. Or else I wouldn't be able to post it. There's a second floor that I cannot get into yet. Maybe I unlocked it. What is now? Buy a broom. Okay. You don't happen to have a broom, do you?
Greetings, traveler.
Hello. Oh, you do. Alright. Let's go. Number 2. Oh, there's still more of you. Huzzah. I wish to add more lighting outside. Oh my god, it's so dark. I don't think anyone would have known that I have a business running inside if it's this dark. No more? No more? Okay, okay. Hey. Hey, hey, it's okay. Oh. Everybody feels kinda weird someday. Hey, hey, it's okay. Is it mine? Everybody feels kinda weird someday. You don't have to try to be nobody. You just gotta try to please your own body. Hey, hey, it's okay. Everybody feels kinda weird someday. Okay, clean. More haze. This is a puddle, I suppose. This is dirt. Anything else? Oh, there's more. I wonder what kind of food do we make. I think we kind of make ourselves clear. We are food connoisseur to the merchant outside. Okay, this reminds me so much of Angel Share for some reason. Well, oh, okay. Oh my god, I need to look up now. Cannot let our patron getting sneezed or scream because of the poor spiders, aren't we? Alright, okay. Oh. I need to buy so many things. Oh dearie. A barrel holder, a dishwasher, a stove, a fermenter, and a brew. Fermenter? Maybe that's where we make our beer, craft beer, yeah? Anything else? Any other cobwebs that I need to take? Oh, there it is. I see it. Wait. Okay. Clean. Yay! Alright. I still have a lot of things that I need from you. I hope you have everything that I need. Okay. To buy a barrel holder, dishwasher, single burner stove, fermenter, and brewing pot. Sell any other consumables? Oh, I have a hammer. That's fine. Sell. Okay, thank you. So what do we need to do? Install the barrel holder on the desk. Barrel holder on the desk. Install the dishwasher. Where's the dishwasher? Am I supposed to... Dishwasher. I'm gonna put it here then. You know, while cannot see anything where fit. Install the stove. Can you put it here? Okay. And then the fermenter. This is fermenter, right? I'm gonna put it. Can we rotate? We can. Okay. And then install the brew. Huh? Why did I hear opening doors? Okay. Alright. Start cook. Barley work. I need barley. Buy a barrel, buy a barley, buy a bucket, buy a mug. Are you open before? Oh my god, what is that? It looks like a pile of rubbish. Might have to look at it and check on things. Oh dear, I only have half of my savings left. Please have mercy on me. I have 10 barleys. And in the barrel, a mug, a plate, and buckets. Alright. Fill the bucket with water. Where's the... Hey! Oh my god, you surprised me, bro. Please. Don't do that, man. I thought the shadow was something terrifying. Oh dearie. What are you? 14? Level 14? Oh my god, I cannot see anything. Water bucket. Okay, what do I need? Make a barley wort. Okay. Can we go from here? There's a... It's an invisible wooden plank that I cannot see. Okay. So that's... we have an easier access to get some water. Huzzah! Alright. And where's my bucket of water, sister? Okay. What do you need? I need this. Oh, okay. Okay, what else do I need? Oh, so after I make this, and then over here, ale barrel. Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna put, so it will brew something here, and I put it here as the water. Oh. Open ale mug and barley porridge. Oh, so this is what we sell. This is the menu book, huh? Okay. Hopefully I'll be having a lot of customers later. Probably not of those people. Oh no, put water? Oh, okay. Take barley wort. Make an ale barrel. What do we need? Oh, we need more water. Alright, wait. Where's the door? Oh. What are you? Garbage! Oh, we can plant something here later. A garden bed. Oh, nice. Really, really nice. I hope they have a bigger bucket though. Can we later upgrade this bucket? Or can we find something bigger? Dearie. It's a lot of work. Cook. Alright. We need to hold this. Fermenter. Take ale barrel. And then we place it here. We're basically opening up. Need take an ale mug. Fill a mug of ale. Ah, to celebrate our first opening, eh? Okay, buy a table. Alright. Buy a table. Hey, Roko. Hello.
Greetings, traveler.
Still need your help. I need to buy some table. Why so expensive, a lot of people. Alright. I'm gonna put it in the center here, closer, because then I'll be easier. Create one barley porridge. What do we need for barley porridge? Hello? Yes. I need barley and water bucket. Okay. More water. Wait, huh? Do I have the water? Okay. And then barley. I need to stock on a lot of barley and from him.
Greetings. Interested in making a deal?
No, not yet. Why is Madoka Magica song stuck in my head? Do 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 do. Don't get me wrong, I love you, but does that mean I have to walk on water when we are... Oh, huzzah! I need a plate. Alrighty then. No, why did I eat it? Why did I eat it? I know I'm hungry. But what I was trying to do is put it here. Oh. I cannot take it. Anyway. Do I have other... Do you think I need to buy other bowls and then drinks, maybe? Alright, it's open for business, people. Welcome, welcome to my tavern.
Greetings, traveler.
I think I'm gonna make one more so that people won't wait for too long, you know? Any guests yet? No? Okay, that's fine. And... Da 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 dun da 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 dun dun da da da. Wait, huh? There's only one of the ale? What? So I have to make it each time? Wait, that's dangerous too. Hello? It's me. Oh, we can... I do not know. Miho. Okay. Nice. Come on in, we're open. We're very open. Ding ding. Oh. Good day, ma'am. What can I take you? Alright. Just one bowl. Alright. One fresh porridge bowl. Why do you speak like Sims? Oh, hello. What can I get you, sir? A beer? Nice choice. There you have it. Let's go. You're welcome. I need to wash the dishes. Number 7. Hey. Aye. Scrub. Alright. There's someone else. Oh dearie. Sorry, my bad. Hello. What can I give you? An ale mug. Okay. Another ale mug. Where is it? Here you have it. You're welcome. You're welcome. Ulrich Blackthorn. Have some rest. Okay, you need some rest. You're definitely drunk. Beepo, 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 beepo. No. There's a very unhygienic way to wash the dishes, buddy. Bro. Hello? Is it a clean plate? Oh my god, it is. Oh, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Hello. Barley porridge. Okay. Here's one for you. What do you need? An ale mug? What do you need? Another ale mug. Okay, okay. Be right back. Be right back. Oh my god, I didn't see you guys there. I'm sorry. Huh? Number 4. We're out? Yes. Number 4. Yes. Sorry, I didn't mean to make you wait, ma'am. Sir. Oh, it's a dirty... Oh, phew. I really need to have more glasses and dishes, huh? Ay, bro, come on. Okay. Alright. No, I put down number 4 and then number 5. Alright, who needs an ale? Sorry to keep you waiting, ma'am. What do you need, good sir? Here you go. You're welcome. After the dishes. But we need more water? We still have water. Ay. Bro, I can't wash it. Remove. Ay. Well, I still have no. Oh no. Oh dear. Be right back, dear patron. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you wait for so long. I need to wash the dishes, but the dishes doesn't want to be washed, so. Ay. Alright. What's up? I need to really add, like, by or higher. Okay. Hello, hello, ladies. What do you need? Good sir, good ma'am. Okay. Here, have yours first. I'll take these. And I'll take these. And this is yours. You're welcome. Let's go. Anya. I meant to wash dishes, bro. Why do I feel more water? Okay. Do I need to bake more? Oh no. Ay. This is the end. Can they like permanently be placed there? Where's the bottom? Oh. We skipped disappearing. I don't know why. Huh? Let's go. Ay. See? Alright, I'm running out of... Hello, hello, ladies. What can I give you? Barley porridge. Ale mug. Ale mug. Okay, ladies first. Thank you. Alright, this is barley porridge for you. And then another. Do I have the mug with me? Where's the mug? Is there a dirty mug in here? Ah, yeah. Alright. Let's go. So this is the perks of having your own restaurant. You have to do everything by yourself, so it's really not for everybody. Alright, oh my god, I'm sorry. Thank you. Sorry to make you wait. You need a ale as well. Alright. I need... I really need to buy some more glasses. You're welcome. 2 more, I think. 2 more will be
Greetings,
decent,
traveler.
right? Hello. I need this, please. Oh, wait. Thank you. See you, people. Oh, dear. Disgusting people. Ay. Try to keep you waiting. What do you need? Barley porridge. Another barley porridge. Okay. Number 5. Alright. Here we go, ladies. No, number 7. You don't have these, right? Oh, there's another one. Plate. Alright. Ooh. Oh dear. I got a round table and a chest. What does a chest do? Hello, hello. Oh dear. You need to go back, sir. You've been drunk for too long. What do you need? A mug. Okay. I really need to make this one. Go. Alright. What do you need? A nail mug. Oh, sorry. I need to put this away. And put it here. Number 4, please. Thank you. Number 7. You're welcome. Hello. 2 barley porridge. Alright, you got it. As you wish for. You're very hungry, aren't you, good sir? Dum da dum 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 da dum. Naikechi. Wait, will this be an endless endeavor if I don't put this to close? Alright. Alright. Oh my god, finally. Oh my god, my back is killing me. Good sir? Alright. Last drink for the night. There you go. You don't have to throw it away like that. Oh, dearie. Dirty mugs, dirty plates. Alright. In my dreams, you love me back. Oh my god, I was so focused at the hand, I kind of forget that I'm recording. Alright, are you done yet? Oh my god. I have 2 of you. Oh my god. Go off. I need to close the tavern, please. Go. Go. You've been here since I opened it. Oh my god. I'm gonna smack you again, I told you. Anything that I need to clean off for the night? Before I'm closing down for real? Anything that I need to get ready for tomorrow? I need a barrel. Oh, there you go. Alright. Put this here. For luck. What do you need? I need water. Definitely. Anyway. Uh, bro, why can't I wash the... Ah! Why can't I wash the dirty mug? Alright, what? Huh? Okay. Compost bin. I will buy the... I will see if they have a compost bin. Where's the water? Ah, why is it so terrifying at night? Hey, don't like that. Don't do that, bro. What's this? This is my backpack? Why is the music stopped? Why is this turning into a horror game? I do not like that. I do not appreciate it. What do you need? Okay. Okay. So they have washed some dishes and add more water at the same button, so stop that. Why is this turning into a horror game? I do not like it. I do not appreciate it. Tavern?
Greetings, traveler.
I have a bad hunch. I do not like it. Can I stay with you for the night? Will you come in? Just free ale for you, good friend. Oh dear. Why do I have a hop? I cannot. Ale barrel. Can be installed in the dispenser. I need to buy another one. Just for cooking. What else do I need? Whoa. Gives light and set objects on fire? Do you have a compost bin? A mug shelf. Jukebox. Various beautiful sounds. Looks like there's a dwarf inside. Oh, a world map. I would like to have that. Used to store items. I don't have a lot of items for now, but so like maybe 2 new places in your tavern. Okay, if I buy new tables, I need to have a lot more of that. And 1 more of these maybe. And this. Oh my god, I don't have a lot of money left. Do you have a compost bin? I do not see it in your store. Maybe you do, but it's still locked for some reason. Don't put it outside. I'm gonna go crazy. I have to go back and forth. Can I put it here? Cannot? Hey. Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh no, don't you dare. What are you? Oh my god, I got chill all over my spine. Oh my god, my back is getting me. How did you come in? A zombie? Can I put you in a pot there? Can I cook you? Don't you dare come into my place. Shh. And I can't even pick you up. Oh my god. Why are you scaring me like that, man? There's another one of you. How? Come here, you crazy. How dare you come in uninvited? You are not invited, man. No pay, no food, yes. Is that what it sounds like? Opening doors and stuff? Is it you? Is it you and your kind? How dare you? I don't like you. Now I have to clean up all this mess again. Bro, I'm tired. Okay? I do not appreciate it, alright? I do not appreciate it. Why is the... Oh, no. I should not drink at work. Ah, now it's reversed. Oh. No, my movement is reversed. Oh god. Oh. I need that. Because of the surprise and stuff, but like... Okay, I need to add these here. Got a crossbow bolt. And to wash these. Dirty plates and dirty glass. So if the music stopped means there's an enemy nearby, is it? You should have had a more... Okay, that's low-key terrifying. I'm not gonna lie, it's terrifying. I was so scared. I have... Oh my god. Wait, how long have I been recording? 40 minutes already? Okay, so everyone, I think... I can... Oh my god, I don't even configure the movement yet. Serve 10 dishes. Is it morning yet? Is it morning? What time is it? There's a dragon as well? Oh, there's... Oh dear. Anything else I need to clean for now? Kill creatures. No. I mean a boar, but like... I'm scared out of my wits. Can you... Oh dear, I was right. My feeling was right. I didn't even expect there's going to be a zombie in there. It's terrifying. Do you know how terrifying that is? How did they get in? Probably from here, innit? But no, they can't be. Oh my god, they're gone. Well, that's just nice. I mean, I don't have to clean up, you know? Alright, let me open up the tavern. Oh, wait, before that. Because one day already done. I think I already record too long, so... Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. Hopefully this video entertains you. I'll be seeing you in my next video / stream. Bye bye.